Masarguppi. Today I talk about accessory circuit. Definition of accessory circuit. An accessory circuit consists of a resistor and capacitor connected in series with the resistors. And importance of accessory circuit. Fundamental in understanding time-dependent electrical behavior such as charging and discharging the capacitor. Charging and discharging behavior. Where the DC voltage is applied, the capacitor charges through the series resistor. The voltage across the capacitor increase over time, and the secondary discharging behavior. When this is disconnected from the voltage source, the capacitor discharges its stored energy through its resistor. This is the mathematical analysis of accessory circuit. Represent the time it takes for the voltage across the capacitor to reach approximately 63% of its final value during charging or taking of about 37 during discharging. Components of accessory circuit. First is a resistor, its unit is ohm. Resistor of flow of current and dissipates energy or speed. And second is capacitor. Capacitor is of farads, stores electrical energy in a fundamental into units. Constant and its significant. Time constant and significant. The time constant defines the speed of the charging and discharging process. And smaller means quicker responses, faster charging and discharging lagged. It means slower response, slower charge and discharging. Graph show the charging and discharging curves with the table of passes. Application of accessory circuit. Low pass filter allows low frequency signal to pass block high frequency, and high pass filters allows high frequency signal to pass blocking low frequencies. Time circuit used in the generation law. Time application like an oscillator. A single processing with a address in combination communication. Conclusion. Accessory circuit are special for understanding the behavior of resistor and capacitor. Enhancing the particular for time is depend behavior. However, numerous particular application in filters, oscillator, and timing circuit. Takeaway: understanding the principle of accessory circuit lays foundation for our complex electronics circuit and system. Thank you.